Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Pure Biology. Today's topic is regression, and this is obviously topic related to biostatistics. Okay, so today's topic is regression, and in my previous videos I already explained about correlation and mean mode median. So you just check out that videos and obviously this one. And before going to the discussion, I want to say thank you to all of you who have subscribed my channel, and I request you, if this channel is helpful to all of you, then obviously share with your friends. Okay, so this is the regression. What is regression? Regression is the measure of the average relationship between two or more variables in terms of original units of data. Okay, then what is regression? Regression is the measure. This is the measure of the average relationship. Okay, measure of average relationship between two or more variables in terms of original units of data. Okay, so actually this is the process, you can say, by which we make a relationship between two or more variables. Okay, so regression equation is when x, this is x and this is y. So regression equation, if x of on y, that means what is the regression equation of x on y? This is x minus x bar equals to bxy, y minus into y minus y bar. Okay, so what is x? X means actually the data of the x variables. X bar is the mean of the x, and this is the sigma x. I just discussed okay sometime after. So what is bxy? Bxy is the regression coefficient. Okay, bxy or byx, that is the regression coefficient. So x minus x bar equals to bxy, and you just see carefully that when the equation of x on y, then the coefficient is bxy. Clear? So what is that? R and sigma x by sigma y, y minus y bar, and sigma x is the standard deviation of x series or x values, and sigma y, that is the standard deviation of y series or the values of y. So, and R is what? R is the correlation coefficient. Okay, so actual this is the equation, x minus x bar equals to bxy, y minus into y minus y bar. Okay, and the regression equation of y on x, then y minus y bar equals to byx. See it carefully. When the equation of y, what we have to write, that is the byx. Okay, and when the equation of x, this must be bxy. Clear? So this is y minus y bar equals to byx into x minus x bar, or you can say r sigma y by sigma x and then x minus x bar. So these are the two equations. X, this is the equation of x in respect of y, and this is the equation of y in respect of x. Clear? Now how to calculate byx? Byx equals to r into sigma y by sigma x. This is the byx, and bxy is what? This is r into sigma x by sigma y. So these are the simple equations how to calculate the regression. So before going to the problems, we have to learn about regression, some topic you can say, or some related regression, few features. Okay, what is actually the feature of the regression and what are the types of the regression? Okay, so first we have to learn that one, and then after we will go to the problems. Okay, so these are the types of the regression. One is the simple, second one is the multiple, third one is the linear, and fourth one is the non-linear. Okay, so in case of simple, the dependent variables, these are the function of a single independent one. Okay, so here the dependent variable is a function on the independent one, a single independent one. In case of multiple regression, the dependent one is a function of two or more independent one. Okay, or two or more independent variables, you can say variables. Okay. Third one is the linear. What is the linear? Here the linearly correlated dependent variable that is linearly correlated with the independent variable. Okay, and here, sorry. So here, that means in case of linear, the dependent variable is linearly correlated. Okay, linearly correlated with the independent variable, and in case of non-linear, there the non-linear correlation is seen, and dependent variable that has the non-linear correlation with the independent one. So these are the types of the regression, and now here are the two graph, you can say, or you can say that graphical representation. Here, first one, that is the regression of y on x, and second one is the regression of x on y. So what is the equation? The equation is y equals to mxc here, and here x equals to my plus c. Okay, in case of first one, y equals to mx plus c. In case of second one, x equals to my plus c. And this is the regression of the x on y, and this is the regression of y on x. Obviously, these are the graphical representation of the linear regression. Clear? The linear regression. So these are the types. After that, we will learn the two methods. Okay, two methods are seen in the process of the regression. One is the graphical method, another is the algebraic method. Okay. Okay, so these are the two methods. One is the graphic method, another is the algebraic method. So graphic method, in case of graphic method, the points just are plotted on x and y. Suppose this is x and y graphs. Okay, or not graph, the points are plotted in the horizontal and the vertical line. Okay, here the independent variable is taken on the horizontal line. So horizontal line that is taken for the independent variable, and the vertical line that is taken for the dependent variable. Okay, and here the regression line is drawn in between these points. Here are the, suppose these are the points, so straight line is formed here. Okay, in case of algebraic method, the regression line is a straight line and fitted to the data by the method of least square. Okay, the method here, the method is started by squaring, least squaring. Okay. Number two, it indicates the best probable mean value of one variable that corresponding to the other mean variable. Here two mean values are needed, one for the suppose x variable and another for the y variables. Third one, the two lines are constructed here to show the relationship between the x and y variables. Okay, so these are the two methods. So this is the very brief theory that is related to the regression, and now we will go to the sums. Okay, any problem how to calculate the regression? Generally it is done by solving the problem. So now we will learn the problem, how to solve the regression. So here is a problem that find two regression equation from the following pairs of observation on x and y, that is 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 5, 4, 6, 5, 4, and find the predicted value of y when x equals to 2.5 and when x equals to when y predicted value of y when x equals to 2.5, and obviously x that means find out 2x value when the y value is 4.5. This is the problem. Then how to calculate this problem, and before going to this problem, and you have to memorize this equation or this formula obviously. In case of standard deviation is there, that means the dxy equals to summation of dx summation of dy divided by d square y when bxy, okay, not byx, bxy, and in case of byx this just changes, okay. And or you can say bxy equals to summation of xy minus, this is minus, okay, minus x into x bar y bar and divided by summation of y square minus x into y bar square, okay. So these are the two formulas by which we can calculate the regression coefficient, okay. Next, this is the problem, and I just arranged this problem in tabular form. So here this is the x, these are the all the x values, these are the y values. So now we have to calculate the x square, okay. So x square is first 1 square, that means 1, 2 square means 4, 3 square means 9, 4 square that is 16, and 5 square that is 25. Clear? Okay. Then y square is what? 2 square means 4, 3 square is 9, 5 square is 25, 6 square is 36, and 4 square is 16. Clear? So total addition is here, that is 15, and here that is 20, and here that is 55, okay, and here that is 90, okay, 90. Then xy, x and y both are multiplied to each other. Then first one is 2, second one is 6, third one is 15, fourth one is 24, and the fifth one is 20. Clear? These are the xy values, and total addition of this is 67. Clear? Now the formula is what? Summation of x, that is 15, summation of y, that is 20. N means what numbers or variables are there. That means x and y, the two variables mean, and what are the value of x? That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are the number of values. Okay. So n equals to 5. That means the 5 numbers are there. Okay. In x variable, 5 numbers are there. In y variables, the 5 numbers are there. So n value is 5. Summation of x, y, that is 67. Okay. And obviously x bar or mean value, that is 15 by 5. So answer is 3. Clear? Next, y bar or mean value of y variables. These are 20 divided by 5. So 4. Clear? Next, summation of x square, that is summation of x square 55. Clear? Summation of y square, that is 90. You can see, just see here that 90. Okay. Next, the formula is bxy, that is equal to summation of xy, then minus summation of x into summation of y divided by n, and another division, there is summation of y square equals to, minus bracket summation of y square by n. So what is the formula? Bxy equals to summation of xy minus summation of x into summation of y by n divided by y square minus summation of y whole square by n. So just we have to put the values. Okay, summation of xy is what? Summation of xy, this is 67 minus summation of x 15, okay, into summation of y, that is 20, divided by n is 5. Next, summation of y square, what? This is 90 minus summation of y whole square, that means 20 square, clear, by 5. So what is the answer here? 67 minus 60 and 90 minus 80. So value is 7 by 10. So 0.7. Clear? The value of bxy, that is 0.7. Next, in the same way, we have to calculate the byx, that is equals to summation of xy minus summation of x into summation of y by n, and here we have to write summation of x square minus summation of x whole square by n. Clear? So just put the values. 67 minus 15 into 20 by 5, and here the value is 55 minus 15 square by 5. So what is the answer? That means 67 minus 20 divided by 55 minus 45. So answer is 7 by 10. Sorry. So I was checking the values, okay. So here the 67 minus 15 to 20, so after calculation we will get 67 minus 60 and 55 minus 45, so 7 by 10, that means 0.7, 0.7. So here the values of byx and byxy, these are the same, but it is not possible in every cases, okay. So only here the value of the bxy and byx is same, the values, these are same, that means 0.7 and 0.7 obviously, but these values are not same in always, okay. We have different values, or we will get different values in for bxy and byx, but unfortunately here the values are same, 0.7 and 0.7. So now after calculating these values, then we have to calculate the equation of x on y and equation of y on x, okay. So you just see carefully, and after that I wrap this portion, and then we have to calculate the second portion. Okay, so now we have to calculate the equation, regression equation of y on x, and then regression equation of x on y. So here the y minus y bar equals to byx, x minus x bar. So what is the value? y bar, that is y bar is this one, clear, and x bar is this one. So y minus y bar equals to y minus 4, and byx value is 0.7, clear. So 0.7, and x minus x bar is what? X bar is 3. Okay, so y equals to here 0.7x minus 2.1 plus 4, that means 0.7x minus plus 1.9. And here how to calculate the y value? Here you can see the y when the x value is 2.5. Okay, you could see this x value is 2.5. Okay, so you just put this value 0.7 into 2.5 plus 1.9. So answer is 3.65. Next one, x minus 3 equals to 0.7 into y minus y bar is what? 4. Okay, so x equals to 0.7y minus 2.8 plus 3. So here 0.7, y value is there. You could see this is 4.5. So multiply 4.5, and here the value is 0.2. So answer is 3.35. Okay. So you could see that if the value of x is there 2.5, so we can easily get the value of y, that is 3.65 here, and here you could see that y value is 4.5, so here is the value of x, that is 3.35. So this is the method by which you can calculate the regression equation. Okay, and you can show the regression equation, and after putting the values of y and x, we will get the actual value of x and the actual value of y. So here the total information related to the regression equation that is completed. And